All right, guys, welcome to another segment of this course. So in this video we'll be designing a simple flyer. Yes, a simple flyer as this, very simple and unique. So we're going to design everything from scratch, right? Like I said, if you want to be a good and professional graphics designer, stop re-editing Canva templates. You understand? So try your best, try as much as possible to design everything from scratch. Okay, so let's dive in. All right, so click on this plus icon here, and here go to the search button and type Instagram. So we're going to use the Instagram post, the square, the one of 1080 by 1080 pixel. Okay, so we're using this artboard for it. All right, I've already make available the tools that you'll be needing for this design, the images and everything that you'll be needing for this design. So everything will be sent to you on the group, so you just have to download it and then upload it on your Canva. Okay, so let me go to my upload and get all the tools that I need. Okay, so I'm gonna get this first, then go back again, bring this one in. Okay, so let me place this one side, and also we'll be needing we're going to change the color of this background, but let's leave it. First of all, let's get a shape, a square. So this is our square. So we are going to change the color of the square to something light, a dim yellow, something like that. Okay, so I want to pick this color from this yellow this lady is putting on, the color on this lady's body. So we want to pick it because I can't find it. It will be very difficult for us to get this exact color code, right? So how do we pick color, right? So once you just click on your color, select or highlight that item that you want to change the color, and then go to your color. Once you click on the color, open this, click on this plus sign button here. You will see this pencil icon by my right. Click on it. Once you click on it, drag this, it will automatically bring out this this circle here. So just drag it to that image that you want to pick the color. So this is what this image, you want to pick the color of this shirt. So once you're done, click on done, and here we are. The color has automatically reflect on our shape. Okay, so but then we still need to make it a little dimmer because it can't be the same thing as the one the lady is putting on. It will not make the designer, like, since we're using a lighter since the lady is putting on something light, that means our background has to be a little bit dimmer or darker, you understand? So let's try, just move this around to get dimmer color. So this is the color code I'm using. So here we're going to increase the size of this rectangle. Don't worry, I'm still going to bring the images in. I will show you how to do that. So we're going to use this rectangle to cover up this our artboard. Okay, here we are. So click outside of it, right? Click on the rectangle and then scroll down. Scroll to your right down here and look for position. So click on position and send this rectangle to the back. So you've seen it, right? So here we're still going to let's make this rectangle. So let's make this rectangle at least, let's still reduce the color and make it a little bit dimmer as well. Yeah, okay, I think this is okay. So this is the color code 814E10. All right, you can use it. So the next thing we're going to do is this image. We're still going to increase it, make it fill up the artboard. All right, just make sure it's fill. Okay, so here we are. Then next thing we're going to do is reduce the opacity or the transparency. I already taught you guys how to reduce the transparency, so this is it. Still keep reducing it. We don't want it to show that much, so you can keep reducing it. I'll click on this to change the number, so let's make it 4 and see. All right, but then let's still reduce it a little bit, guys, a little bit. So let's, oh, it didn't really reflect, so let's take it to 3 or 2. Yeah, 2 is better. So you see, it's more better like this. So let's bring in this lady now. We're going to bring in this lady. Now we need to flip this image. So because she's not supposed to be facing here, we want her to be facing our right. So how do we flip? Highlight the image and then scroll down. Scroll. I'm supposed to have my flip option here. So let's give, all right, see it here. So look at flip, just click on flip and select horizontal, flip horizontal. Have you seen it? So the next thing we need to do, close up this space here. So we need to increase the size of this image and bring it down a bit, make it by that. So this is it. So we still need to let's increase it a little bit again. All right, so this is okay. It's okay this way. Okay, so make sure make sure none of the parts, or I mean none of her body parts is being cut, because formerly it was like this. So you can see that the cut is obviously showing, so make sure nothing like that. So open it, then that's all. Then we're just going to shift it here a bit. Let's shift it a bit. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is bring in our text. Bring in our text that says it's another. Okay, it's another. So here we're going to style this font. Let's give it a nice font. So let's search for our font here. Okay, let's use this Queen's Essential. I think this will be okay. Yeah, this is cool. Here, reduce the size a bit. Let's bring it here. So the next thing we need to do is go to our element and get a shape. All right, get a shape. Reduce the size of the shape. So let's reduce the size a bit and bring it in. We still need to increase it so that there will be enough space, just like when we talked about spacing. Okay, so this is okay. Then make sure you highlight it, shift it around the text so that it will be in the middle of the text. Canva will automatically draw a line, both horizontal and vertical, to tell you that the text, either the text or the rectangle, is in the middle. Okay, sorry about that. Then next thing we need to do, we need to change the color of this rectangle to black. So let's change it to black. Okay, so our text is also black, so we need to change the color of the text to white so it will be visible. Okay, so this is it. So next thing we need to do is bring in another text that says good day. Another text. So here we type good day. Right, so we're going to change the font of this text. Let's change it. Okay, let's use this Archivo black. All right, so here we're going to increase the size. Okay, this is too big as well. Let's reduce it a bit. Reduce the size a bit. and then here we go. Okay, let's take this one up a bit. Okay, I think it's still okay there. Let's leave it there for now. So align this, make sure you arrange this so that it will be in the same line instead of it to be here. Let it not be scattered, you know. If we leave it here now, you see that they are not properly aligned. So bring it here, make sure you drag it till it's in the same line with this black rectangle at the top. Okay, so we are done with this. Next thing we need to do is duplicate this text. Let's duplicate this good day. So click on it, close your fonts, then click on it and select this duplicate icon I've showed you before. So we've duplicated it. Now we need to give this text an effect. All right, so let's give it an effect of hollow. Hollow. So click on hollow, as you can see, then also click inside of that hollow so I can be able to edit the thickness of this. So you can increase the thickness, as you can see. We can reduce it as well. Are you seeing it? So the next thing we need to do is bring it inside this good day. Oh, before that, sorry, we made a mistake. Before that, we also need to change the color to black. So change the color to black and then bring it in here as well. Okay, so now this good day, the white good day, we need to take it backward. We need to take it backward. So what we have to do, we have to go and highlight that good day, the white one. So go to your layers, and select it, then close this. Make sure you then look for position. You see your position, so click on backward. Are you seeing the magic? So we've sent good day, the white good day, to the back. So the one in the front is the one with the hollow effect. Okay, so you see the magic we created. You see the kind of magic we've created here. So the next thing we need to do, click on it again, select it and duplicate. Right, click on it and duplicate. So duplicate it here, drag it down, duplicate again and again. That's 3 times. So we need to send these 3 text to the back, and also we need to reduce the opacity as well. Right, so all we have to do, instead of doing them one by one, that would be too stressful. So I've taught you guys how to multi-select your text or image or whatever, how to select multiple items. So click on this, your 3 dots here, and select multiple. Click on multiple, so select the remaining ones. Are you seeing it? Then close this. So close this and then come back. Let's look for transparency. So this is it. We just need to reduce the transparency of this. Let's make it 30. Okay, so that's that. Then let's go to our position. Go to your position and then send it backward. We're sending it to the back of the lady. When we click send to back, that means you're sending it back, like to the back of the rectangle, the black rectangle and everything. You're sending it back, and you won't be able to see it, right? So here we are going to send it backward. So backward, like to the back of this lady. So click on backward. All right, then click again. If it didn't reflect, click again till you get what you want. So this is it. So it's at the back of this lady. Okay, so this is it. With this, we've been able to create a beautiful and simple flyer design. All right, so once you're done, all you have to do is click on your export icon to download it to your desktop file or your mobile file. So click on download. All right, and then we're going to use PNG, so just click on download and download it. This is it. So this is how you're going to download it. Alright guys, this is it. Okay, so thank you for staying to the end of this video. See you in our next video. Bye.